The sky is open wide, a promise we can claim. We stand beneath the light, singing out your name. No shadow holds its sway when your glory starts to pour. We lift our hands and pray, ready for so much more.
Our thirsty souls are waiting.
God of all,
Light of all supply, let every heavy burden
live beneath this sky.
rain your love and blessings. Let the deluge start to fall. Rain your love and blessings. Answer every waiting call.
From the mountain
Of your goodness,
yeah,
to the deep goodness valley low.
wash your love,
Wash away the brokenness.
let your spirit.
Let your spirit overflow.
We surrender all control.
We give you every breath.
Let your healing current flow.
Conquer despair and death.
The world is calling out,
Find us deep and true.
a love that knows no bounds.
Only people sculling only
The world
you.
is calling out,
Kind, deep and true.
a love that knows no bounds.
Reflecting only you.
Inspire our every step.
Serve the least and lost.
Remind us what it means.
Whatever the earthly call.
Tear down the
Walls of division.
show us what we can miss. As your blessing
Gives us vision.
a justice without end.
We trust the rhythm of your grace.
Unending,
Unending and immense.
filling every empty space.
Every empty space.
Oh,
With holy reverence. Holy.
this river of compassion,
Running wild and pure.
you renew us in your fashion.
Making spirit strong and short.
Oh,
Let it soak into the ground.
oh, a renewal from above.
Let the sound of faith resound. Grounded in your powerful love.